Presenting the JAT 316, a fully automatic multi-track form fill and seal machine. Engineered for high-precision liquid packaging. Built for efficiency, the JAT 316 delivers a production speed of up to 90 strokes per minute, depending on the product and pouch design. With multiple models available, this machine supports up to 8 tracks, ensuring high volume output with consistent accuracy. Designed for versatility, the JAT 316 handles packing ranges from 1 milliliter to 20 milliliters, making it ideal for sachets of sauces, shampoos, oils, and other liquid items. Its advanced mechanical system includes a high-precision volumetric pump filler, durable servo motor control for smooth operation, reliable electromagnetic clutch and brake system, and an intelligent web edge controller for precise film tracking. The machine's robust stainless steel structure ensures long performance life, while the compact footprint makes it suitable for all production environments. With low maintenance requirements, optimized power consumption, and user-friendly controls, the JAT 316 is a perfect solution for businesses aiming for speed, accuracy, and consistent pouch sealing quality.